Welcome back, everybody. Tim Souza, chef of Poor Judgment Bar and Grill, Newport, Rhode Island. Been a chef in the area for about 10 years. And today we're going to make an orange milkshake with a hand blender. So what we have here is your typical household hand blender with 2 whisks, variable speed. That's what we're going to use to make a milkshake. So the ingredients we're going to use is some low-fat frozen vanilla yogurt, low-fat skim milk, a little bit of orange juice concentrate, and a touch of vanilla extract. So first I'm going to combine the frozen yogurt right in a bowl. Now you want to have a deep bowl so you don't splatter the milkshake all over your place. I'm going to combine the orange juice concentrate. You want it thawed but not thinned out, so don't add any water to it. And the vanilla extract right in there. And I'm going to go ahead and start mixing and add the milk as I'm mixing, so we get a desired consistency that we're looking for. So I don't know if you can see in there, but we've got quite a thick milkshake right now. Just going to add a touch of the milk, a little bit at a time. And about half of the milk was all we needed. And there you are. In no time, you've made yourself a vanilla orange milkshake made with a hand blender. Enjoy.